Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna replace one oxygen sensor and I'm replacing with Bosch. It's a very good brand. I paid around $50 from eBay. So I'm looking my car problem and it show me 4 problem, but 3 of them is oxygen sensor related. P0155, P2247 and it said bank 2 sensor 1. And let's change this and let's see what happened. And again guys, I use this fixed OBD2 scanner to check. You never wanna change your oxygen sensor when it is hot, so you need to wait for the engine to cool down. So I have like 4 oxygen sensor in my car because there is like 3 catalytic converter in this car. So there is one, so you can see here is the one. So I have to remove this cover first. So guys, if you wanna remove the battery negative cable, is fine. My car has only 2 plastic screws here holding, and my engine is pretty warm, so I have to wait. And I remove this cover so that the engine can get cooler fast. In this car, this is bank 1, this is bank 2, and this is sensor 1, and sensor 2 is underneath. So this is bank 1. There is also an oxygen sensor, and in the bank 2 there is also another oxygen sensor underneath. So 4, but we are changing only this one. You can see it, but I need to engine cool down, otherwise I'll burn my hand. So guys, I'm gonna use this special tool to remove the sensor. This is 22mm. I purchased this from Temu, and you can buy it also from Amazon, like around $9-10, but I paid around $4 or $5 from Temu. And I'm using this socket extension. This is 3x8, but this side is 1x2. Especially this comes with 1x2, so I can use this 3x8 ratchet. And I like to use this because I can handle. I also open the negative cable because my fan is too close, and you wanna be careful. Before the oxygen sensor, I have to disconnect the cable. So I'll just, there should be a hold button. I can disconnect this first. I'll hold this, disconnect so the other side could come out easily. You wanna be careful. So this side is out. This is not from the oxygen sensor. So now you can see the oxygen sensor easily. Okay, there should be a clip to the right side here, and I have to press and hold and push it down, and this should come out from here. That's what I have to press and hold. Okay, you can see there is a hole. Anyway, so this part is done. Now I have to open this oxygen sensor main side. Now guys, look very closely. We will just slide this cable in here like this, and go to the oxygen sensor. Okay, we reached, and now we will use the ratchet. If you want, you can use an extension just like that. Okay, now I'll put this in the extension. Now guys, I'll go ahead and twist this. set up this ratchet. Okay, so I have to press it to the counter clock. Okay, I broke the nut, and I can easily move it. But let's grab this cable so we don't harm the oxygen sensor. I have to find out. Okay, so if you wanna also hold this with your hand, it's fine. And be careful guys, if it is hot you have to be very careful. Without extension it's more hard. So it is very important guys to use NECs when you put a new oxygen sensor. Most of the time when you buy new, it comes with it, but let's say if you are replacing or something, you need to put some NECs, otherwise it's gonna be stuck. You will be failed to open or break something. Let's see if we are able to get it. So guys, this is the old oxygen sensor. Okay, even though it's old, it's not too old. I purchased this from Amazon, sorry, no, eBay, but I don't know why it failed. Okay, let's match with the new one. So guys, this is Bosch, the new one. They look alike, and the length pretty much same. Gonna match this 6 pin, sometimes 4 pin or smaller pin. Okay, and it comes with NECs, so you don't have to add. Make sure you remove this plastic. Okay, let's just put it back. Same spot. Yeah, I wanna show you the hole. This is the hole guys. Okay, so first remove the plastic part and push it in with your hand tighten. Carefully, it's a new one. It's too bad I cannot use my both hand because I'm holding camera. Guys, I put it in a little bit. Now I'll put this with the help of the wire. Okay, now I'll go ahead and twist it little by little. Now guys, I'll tighten this. Slowly. Don't keep it loose. Okay. Now I'll remove this. Remove this extension and this. And I'll use my eyes to check. Let's check if it is all the way in. Looks like. So guys, pretty much try your best to tighten this all the way up, all the way. Okay, and right now I'll put this in here. Okay, so match 6 and 6. and you see this and that, this goes in here. Okay, let's do this fast. And you wanna hear the click. Okay, you heard the click. Now you have to remember this goes in the hole. From here you just slide it. Take it all the way down. Now you push it, pull it upward. Okay, that's all. And this is how you do the job. But first I have to put the negative cable back. I'm using this mini ratchet, 10mm screw. And now I'll put this cover back. And tighten the screws. You have to place it right. Okay. I did this side, so that's good. Now I'll start. So guys, I'm starting the car now. I was able to start the car. Now I'll check the fixed and see if we have any codes. So it's a fixed, didn't detect anything. That means I clean all the codes and my engine sign is gone. And this is how you guys can change the oxygen sensor and fix your codes if you guys want. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys this helpful, if you guys think this is helpful, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe, and take care.